నేను మాత్రం మా ఇద్దరు పిల్లల్ని క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందించే ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసోరీ స్కూల్లో మాత్రమే చదివిస్తాను. ఇలా అన్నీ ఉన్న చోట మన పిల్లల్ని చదివిస్తేనే వాళ్ళకి మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఉంటుంది.
నాకు అన్ని నెంబర్ 1 కావాలి. అందుకే నా పెద్ద మనవరాల్ని అన్ని వసతులతో క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందిస్తున్న స్కూల్లోనే జాయిన్ చేశాను.
ఏ స్కూల్ సార్ అది?
ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసరీ స్కూల్. క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లో నెంబర్ 1, కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ లో నెంబర్ 1, స్పోర్ట్స్ లో నెంబర్ 1, క్యాంపస్ లో నెంబర్ 1.
అది
మీ పిల్లల బంగారు భవిష్యత్తుకు మాది బాధ్యత.
Hi children, this is Devi. I am the teacher of the Montessori English Medium School Ullamparru. Today I am here to teach the online class of math subject. It is the bridge course of 5th to 6th class. 5th to 6th class. Today I want to explain about LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF. LCM stands for least common multiple. Least common multiple. L stands for least, C stands for common, M stands for multiple. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. In the before class I told what is a multiple and what is a factor. Here what is a multiple? The multiples of any number are obtained by the number 1, 2, 3, 4 by the number itself. We got the multiples. Here I wrote some the multiples of 3. 3. See, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21, 3 8 are 24, 3 9 are 27, 3 10 are 30. All these numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. All these numbers are multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. 3. Next I wrote, here read 6 table, write the products. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. 6 10s are 60. These are the multiples of 3. These are the multiples of 6. Now here we write the common multiples of 3 and 6. Common multiples. Here check the two multiples. Here what numbers are same? Here check 3 is there. No. Next 6 is there. Circle that one. Again 12 is there. Here also 12 is there. Here 18 is there. Here 18 is there. Next 24. Next 24. Here 30. Here 30. The common multiples are 6 and 3 is numbers 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. These are the common multiples. Now we find the LCM of 3 and 6. Find the LCM of 3 and 6. What numbers are given to find the LCM? 3 and 6. Before I told, what is the full form of LCM? Least common multiple. Now check the multiples. These are the 3 multiples. These are the multiples of 6. Now we check. These are the common multiples. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. All these numbers, which is the least number? Yes, 6 is the least number. 6 is the least number. So the LCM of 3 and 6 is, therefore LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. 3 and 6 is 6. This is the way to find the LCM. Next I told HCF. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. H means highest, C means common, F means factor, highest common factor. Do you know children what is a factor? Yes, a number, the given number exactly divided is called the factor. For example, every number has how many factors? 2 factors. Every number has 2 factors, 1 and number itself. 1 and number itself. For example, I take 2. 2 has how many factors? 1, 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. 2 has 2 factors. I take 6. 6 has how many factors? 1 6 are 6. Next table 2. 6 2 6 is there in 2? Yes. 2 3s are 6. Next 3 table is there? Yes. 3 2s are 6. Next 4 table is there? No. 5 table is there? No. Next number itself 6. Number itself. The number 6, how many factors are there? 1 2 3 4. This is the way to find the factors of 12. Factors of 12. Now check it. First we every number one is the, see, this is the way to find the factors. First we take 1. 1 12s are 12. 12 minus 12 0. 1 is the factor of every number. Next 2 take 2 6 are. How many times cancel? 2 6 are 12. 0. 12 minus 12 0. When we divide the number, the remainder is 0. Then both quotient and divisor are the factors of the given dividend. Here check, see, 12 divided by 2. Here exact divisible or not? Exact divisible means when we divide the number, the remainder is 0. This is called exact division. Both quotient and divisor are the factors of the given dividend. So 2 is a factor. Next number 3. 12 divided by 3. As 12 is there in 3? Yes. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12 0. Remainder is 0. So 3 is also factor of 12. Next 4. Here see, before I told when we divide the number, the quotient is 0. Both quotient and divisor are the factors of the given number. So here 4 also factor and 5 is a factor. In the 12 5 is not there. So 5 is not a factor of 12. Next number 6. 6 is a factor of 12 and next number 12. Next one 12. Here now the factors of 12 are 1 2 3 4 6 and number itself. Number itself. This is the way to find the factors. Next we take factors of 18. Before I told how to find the factors by division method, the same way also how to find the factors of 18. First we check 1. 1 is a factor of every number. 1 18s are 18. The second number 18 is cancelled by 2. Yes. 2 9s are 18. Next number 3. How many times are cancelled 18 in 3? Yes, 3 6 are 18. 3 is a factor. Next number 4. 18 divided by 4 is not possible. 4 is not a factor of 18. Next number 5. 5 is not a factor of 18. Next number 6. 18 in 6 how many times cancel? 6 3s are 18. Yes, 6 is a factor of 18. Next number 7. 7 is not a factor. 8. 8 is not a factor. 9. 9. Yes, 9 2s are 18. 9 is a factor of 18. Next 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 not there. Next the number itself. 18 ones are 18. 18 ones are 18. See, those are the factors of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the factors of 18. Now, in these factors, how to write the common factors? How to write the common factors? Check the factors. What factors are common in the given factors? See, 1, Here 1. Next 2. Circle the 2. Next 3. 3 is a common factor. Next 4 not there. Next 6. 6 is there. Next 6 is there. Now we write the common factors. Common factors are, what are the common factors? Yes, 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. In these common factors, which is the highest number? 2, 3, 6. In these numbers, which is the highest number? Yes, 6 is the highest number. 6 is the highest number. So, now let us find the 18, 12 and 18. 12 and 18. Before I told the factors of 12 and factors of 18 writing. Now, the common factors are 2, 3, 6. In these numbers, what is the HCF I told? Yes, the HCF is what is 6? 6 is the HCF. This is the common factor method to find the HCF. Now I show the model of how to find the LCM and how to find the HCF. Next, find the LCM of 3, 4, 6. I want to show the model of to find the LCM and HCF. This is the model of to find the LCM and HCF. Here see what numbers are given. 3, 4, 6 numbers are given. First we write the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are, see, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and 30. These are the multiples of 3. The next number 4. Next, what are the multiples of 4? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. Next multiples of 6. The multiples of 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Now, first we write the multiples of 3 and 4 and 6. Check all classes. Number 3. Number 3 has 1. Number 4 has 1. Number 6 has 1. Number 9 has 1. Number 12 has 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, number 15 has 1. Number 16 has 1. Number 18 has 2. 20 has 1. 21 has 1. 24 has 3. And 27 has 1. 28 1. And 30 also 2. Now see, 12 has 3 marbles are there. And the 24 has also 3 marbles. Now check 12 and 24. 12 and 24 has. Here how many marbles are there? 1, 2, 3. And the 24 see 1, 2, 3. 12 and 24 has 3 marbles. Now check the numbers 12 and 24. In these two numbers, which is the least number? 12 is the least number. So the LCM of 3, 4, 6 is 12. Now I will find the sum on the board. See, multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And the multiples of 6 is 6, 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Now we write the common multiples of the given three numbers. What are the common multiples? 3 is there? No. Check all these three numbers. Next 6. 6 is there. Here only multiples of 6 and multiples of 3 and multiples of 6 is there. Multiples of 4 and 6 is not there. The next number 12. 12. Here also 12. Here also 12. Next 15 is there? No. Next 18 is there? No. 21? No. And 24. 24 here. The multiples of 24. Here also 24 is there. Remaining common multiples are not there. So what are the common multiples? Common multiples are 12, 24. In this 12 and 24, which is the least number? 12 is the least number. So the LCM of 3, 4, 6 is 12. 3, 4, 6 is 12. Find the HCF of 8 and 12. What numbers are given? 8 and 12. First, see, 2 marbles are there. 3, 1, and the 4 has 2, 5 not there, and the 6 has 1, and 8 has 1, and the 9 not there, and the 10 not there, and the 11 not there, and the 12 1. Now see the cup 2 and cup 4. The cup 2 has 2 marbles and cup 4 has 2 marbles. Now we check 2 and 4. These are the two common factors. 2 and 4 are the common factors. 2 and 4. Which is the highest number? 4 is the highest number. So the HCF of 8 and 12 is what? As 4. 4 is the HCF of 8 and 12. Now I do the sum on the board. See, first we write the factors of 8. 2, 4, 8. Next, factors of 12. 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now circle the common factors. As 2 is there, 2 is a common factor. Next number 3 not there. Next 4 is there. Next, what are the common factors? Common factors are 2 and 4. Common factors are 2 and 4. Before I told what is the HCF? Yes. 2 and 4. 4 is the highest number, highest common factor. So HCF is what? 4. HCF is what? 4. Fourth class, we have to use this method. Common factors and common multiples. Follow this method up to 4th class. Coming to 5 and 6 classes, this method do not use. We can find the LCM and HCF through the method of prime factorization. In the class of 5 and 6, don't use this method to find the HCF and LCM through the prime factorization. The next topic is to find the LCM and HCF through the method of prime factorization. What is meant by prime factorization? We write the number as a product of its prime factors is called prime factorization. Before going to topic, now I told what is a prime number and what is a composite number. A number which have two factors are called prime numbers. Numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. First I told prime numbers. Numbers which have two factors are called prime numbers are called which numbers? Prime numbers. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. See the number 2. How to say that the 2 is a prime number? Yes, the 2 has 2 factors. How many factors? 2. 1 and number itself. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. The number 3 has how many factors? 3 also has 2 factors. 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. And the 5 has also 2 factors. 1 5s are 5, 5 1s are 5. The 7 has also 2 factors. 1 and number itself. 1 and number itself. Those numbers are called prime numbers. A number which have 2 factors are called prime numbers. Up to 100 there are 25 prime numbers are there. Up to 100 there are 25 prime numbers are there. See, 1 is neither prime, 1 is neither prime number nor a composite number, nor a composite number. Which is neither prime number nor composite number? Yes, 1 is neither prime nor a composite number. Now once you see the 2, the smallest even prime number is 2. The smallest even prime number. Up to 25, how many prime numbers are there? 25 prime numbers are there. Remaining 24 are odd numbers. Only 2 is the smallest even prime number. The second smallest prime number is 3. The third smallest prime number is 5. The fourth smallest prime number is 7. See, all these are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Up to 50, all these are prime numbers. See, take 13. 13 has how many factors? 1 and 13. Any table is cancelled in 13? No, 1 and 13. Number and number itself. And 37. 1 and number itself. 37 ones are 37. So, a number which have 2 factors are called prime numbers. These are the prime numbers up to 50. Composite numbers. Composite number. What is a composite number? A number which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. A number which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. A number which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Example, number 4. Number 4 has how many factors? Yes, 4 has 1, 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. And the number 8, 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8. Next, 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 5 6 7 8 9, sorry 6 6 2s are 12, 7 8 9 10 11 not there. Next number itself. See, observe the numbers 4, 8, 12. More than 2 factors are there. 4 has 3 factors, 8 has 4 factors, 12 has 6 factors. A numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite number. Composite numbers. See, 4 is the smallest composite number. 4 is the smallest composite number. How to do the prime factorization of the given number? Write a number as a product of its prime factors is called prime factorization. If you do the prime factorization, we use only prime numbers for division. We take only prime numbers for division. See, prime factorization of 360. Prime factorization of 360. What number is given here? 360. Now, let us do the prime factorization of 360. 360 right here. Before I told, if you do the prime factorization, first we take only prime numbers for division. Which is the first smallest prime number? Yes, 2. 2 is the first smallest prime number. The given number 360 is divisible by 2 or not? Yes. Before we recall the divisibility rules. Before class I told the divisibility rules. Rule 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Rule 2 is, if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are in units place, then the number is exactly divisible by 2. Now the given number is 360. 360 is divisible by 2. Yes. 0 is in units place. How many times? As we take 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1 is there. 1, 6, 16. Next 2 8s are 16. 2 zeros are 0. 2 180s are 360. Now the quotient is 180. 2 is the first prime factor. Again, the number 180 is divisible by 2 or not? Yes. The number ends with 0. So, exactly divisible by 2. How many times? Check it. Here, the quotient 1. 2 divided by 1 is not possible. Take 2 numbers. The quotient is 18. 18 divided by 2. How many times? 2 9s are 18. Now, 0. 2 zeros are 0. The quotient is 90. 2 90s are 180. 2 90s are 180. Now, the number 90 is divisible by 2. Yes. So, the number ends with 0. So, it is divisible by 2. Again, we take 2. How many times cancel 90 by 2? Now, check it. 9 divided by 2. How many times? 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 1 0, 10. Here the quotient is 10. 2 5s are 10. Now the quotient is 45. The number 45 is divisible by 2? No. Here the number ends with 5. It is not divisible by 2. What we do? We take next prime number. What is the next prime number? The next prime number is 3. The next prime number is 3. What is condition 3? The sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Here the number 45. What is the sum of the digits? 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. So, the number is divisible by 3. 45 is divisible by 3. How many times? We check it. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 15. 3 5s are 15. How many times? 3 15s are 45. 3 15s are 45. Next, the 15 is possible by 3? Yes. How many times? 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. See, when stop the division, both factors are prime numbers. We stop the division. Why? Here prime number is k. Now, the last step is multiply all the common factors. Multiply all the prime factors. The prime factors are, the last step is multiply all the prime factors. Now, 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are 72. 72 5s are 360. 360. Okay, this is the way to find the prime factorization of the given number. Next, I told to find the HCF of given number through this prime factorization method. Before I told LCM and HCF, to find the LCM and HCF in two ways, common multiples method and common factors method. Now, how to find the HCF through the prime factorization method of big numbers. Here two numbers are given, those are big numbers, 2940 and 3150. Now we write the numbers individually. To do the prime factorization individually, first 2940. First we do the prime factorization of 2940. First we take the smallest prime number. Is it cancelled? The number is cancelled by 2. Yes, the number ends with 0. How many times? See, check 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. Next 9 is there. 2 fours are 8. 9 minus 8 1. 1 4 14. 2 sevens are 14. 2 zeros are 0. The quotient is 1470. 1470 is divisible by 2. Yes, this number is ends with 0. How many times you see? Here 2 divided by 1 is possible? No. Take 2 digits, that is 14. How many times cancel 14 in 2 table? 2 sevens are 14. Next 7. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 1, 0, 10 is there. The 10 is how many times cancelled by 2? Yes, 2 5s are 10. So the given number 735. The quotient 735 is divisible by 2? No. We take next prime number. What is the next prime number? 3. Next 3 is cancelled by 2. 3 is cancelled by this number. Check the divisibility condition by 3. Sum of the digits 7 plus 3 plus 5. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is cancelled by 3. Yes. So, this number is divisible by 3. Take 3. How many times? 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1 is there. 1 3, 13. 3 4s are 12. 13 minus 12, 1. 1 5, 15. How many? 3 5s are 15. So, the number 245 is divisible by, again divisible by 3. Sum of the digits. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So, this is not divisible by 3. What is the next prime number? Take next prime number. The next prime number is 5. 5 is divisible by this number. Yes. The number ends with 0 or 5 is exactly divisible in 5. So, here the number in units place 5 is there, is divisible by 5. How many times? See. 5 4s are 20. 24 minus 24 and 4, 5. 45 is there. How many times cancel 45 in 5 table? 9. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Next. This number is divisible by 5. 49 is divisible by 5. No. Here the number ends with 9. It is not divisible by 5. Go for next prime number. The next prime number is 7. 49 divided by 7. How many times? 7 times. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. So, the prime number is came. Stop the division. The next we do for prime factorization of 3150. The same way we check 2. 2 is divisible by 2. This number, yes, the number ends with 0. How many times? See? 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 1, 11. 2 5s are 10. 11 minus 10, 1. 1 5, 15. 2 7s are 14. 15 minus 14, 1. 1 0, 10. 2 5s are 10. The quotient is 1575. So the number ends with 5. The second number, is it divisible by 2? No. Take second prime number 3. What is condition 3? Sum of the digits. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 5 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Let's take 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 5 15. 3 5s are 15. Next, this number is again divisible by 3. Check it. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Yes. This number also divisible by 3. How many times see? 3 1s are 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 2 22. 3 7s are 21. 22 minus 21, 1. 1 5 15. 3 5s are 15. Again this number is divisible by 3. Check it. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. Take next prime number, that is 5. 5 divided by 1 is not possible. Take two numbers. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 17 minus 15, 2. And 2 5 25. How many times cancel? 3 5s are 25. So that number 35 is cancelled by 5. Yes. Take 5. 5 7s are 35. Now 7 is which type of number? Prime number. So if you do the division, when the prime number is came, stop the division. Now write the common factors of the given numbers. The last step of the sum is write the common prime factors are 2940 and 3150. Write the common prime factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 7 and 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. All these common prime factors of the given numbers. Now we find the common prime factors. 2, 3, 5, 7. What are the common prime factors? 2, 3, 5, 7. Now multiply the common prime factors. What are the common prime factors? 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we multiply. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 37s are 210. So therefore the HCF of 2940 and 3150 is 210. Okay children, this is the way to find the HCF through the prime factorization. The next one is find the LCM of 180 and 240 by the prime factorization method. Before the sum HCF, you can do the prime factorization individually. But in the LCM, we can do the prime factorization grouply, separate with commas. See, write 180, comma 240. See, now the two numbers, check the two numbers cancel by prime number or not. See, first we take, if you do the LCM also, if you do the prime factorization, we take only prime numbers for division. First we take 2. 2 is cancelled first number and the second number. Yes, these two numbers are ends with 0. How many times see? 2 9s are 18, 2 0s are 0. Next, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0. Again for two quotient see, 90 and 120. Both numbers ends with 0. So these two numbers are divisible by 2. How many times? 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 1 0, 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 45s are 90. Next, 120. 120 is cancelled by 2. How many times? 2 6s are 12. 2 0s are 0. Next, check the two numbers 45 and 60. These two numbers are cancelled by 2. The first number is not cancelled by 2 and the second number is cancelled by 2. Cancelled by 2. First, write the same as this number. Write 45. What number is possible? Do the division. 2 take. How many times 16 divided by 2? 30 times. 30 times. Next, see the second number. See the two numbers. This is not cancelled. This is cancelled by 2. Cancel. Write same quotient. How many times? 2 15 ja 30. Now see the two numbers 45 and 15. These two numbers are not divisible by 2. Why? Because the number ends with 5. The second number also ends with 5. The first number also ends with 5. So these two numbers are not cancelled by 2. Take second prime number, that is 3. 3 is cancelled by this number as 4 plus 5 9. So how many times cancelled? Check it. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 1. 1 5 15. 3 15 ja 45. 3 15 ja 45. Comma. The second number 15. 15 divided by 3. How many times? 3 5s are 15. So see the two numbers. These two numbers cancelled by 3. No, only one number. First number is cancelled by 3. Do division. 3 5s are 15. 5. 5 is not divided. For same number you have to write. See that here the quotients are 5 5. Is it not divisible by 3? That next prime number is 5. How many times? 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Before you do HCF, when the prime number is same, stop the division. Now we do in the LCM. To find the LCM, continuous process of dividing the quotient until all quotients becomes 1. You have to do the sum. Now the last step of the sum is multiply all the prime factors. Therefore 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now multiply all the prime factors. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 3s are, now we multiply here. 5 plus 2 7. So 720. Therefore the LCM of 180 and 240 is 720. Okay children, this is the way to find the LCM and HCF through the method of prime factorization. It is useful for next coming classes, 5 and 6 classes. Okay. Thank you children. Thank you for listening my class today's class. Thank you.
నేను మాత్రం మా ఇద్దరు పిల్లల్ని క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందించే ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసోరీ స్కూల్లో మాత్రమే చదివిస్తాను. ఇలా అన్నీ ఉన్న చోట మన పిల్లల్ని చదివిస్తేనే వాళ్ళకి మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఉంటుంది.
నాకు అన్ని నెంబర్ 1 కావాలి. అందుకే నా పెద్ద మనవరాల్ని అన్ని వసతులతో క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందిస్తున్న స్కూల్లోనే జాయిన్ చేశాను.
ఏ స్కూల్ సార్ అది?
ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసరీ స్కూల్. క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లో నెంబర్ 1, కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ లో నెంబర్ 1, స్పోర్ట్స్ లో నెంబర్ 1, క్యాంపస్ లో నెంబర్ 1.
అది
మీ పిల్లల బంగారు భవిష్యత్తుకు మాది బాధ్యత.